In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drive more phone calls from Google Ads using call extensions. Call extensions are a fantastic way to make it easier for potential customers to reach you right when they're interested. By adding a call button directly to your ads, you foster a seamless connection between your business and potential clients. Let's dive into this tutorial on setting up call extensions in your Google Ads account. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads dashboard. From the overview page, locate and click on the Assets option in the left-hand menu. The Assets tab is where you manage various ad extensions, which are crucial in enhancing your ads' visibility and functionality. Once you've clicked on Assets, you'll see a variety of options that support different types of ad extensions. From here, it's essential to click on the Call option. This step leads you directly to the area where you can set up phone call assets, which are specifically designed for driving calls from your ads. In the call section, you'll see an option to add a new phone number. To do this, simply click on the plus icon. This step will open up a form for you to fill out, allowing you to input the phone number you wish to appear with your ads. It's critical to ensure that the number you provide is actively monitored and ready to handle customer inquiries. You want any calls coming through as a result of these ads to be answered promptly and efficiently, as first impressions are vital. Now, once you've entered your phone number, you might notice a few additional fields. These fields give you options to customize when your number is shown. For example, you might want to limit calls to business hours when your team can respond right away. Consider setting these parameters carefully to maximize both customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. After that, review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Mistakes in the phone number or settings could result in missed opportunities or frustrated customers. Finally, you'll proceed by clicking the Save button. This action will finalize your settings and activate your call extension. Once saved, these settings integrate into your ad campaign, making it simple for potential customers to call you directly from your ads. Remember, these extensions can be crucial in significantly increasing inbound calls to your business, thus enhancing your lead generation efforts. And there you have it, you've successfully set up call extensions in Google Ads. This simple yet powerful tool will give your business a direct line to potential customers, making it easier than ever to capture those high value leads. Keep in mind that regular monitoring and adjustment of your campaigns are essential to ensure they continue to meet your business goals. Thank you for watching, and keep driving those valuable phone calls to your business.